Someone did some wrong this one. I just started a couple minutes ago, but watch. So it's just on the balls. I haven't changed anything. Yeah, it's not just being real. Because that was just the high was on, that's low. But medium. What? Like a This is the weirdest thing in the world. What's it doing? Worst family in Ohio. Stupid landmark construction. Oh, we're in control this. This one's probably even also. Back in the boxes. Stupid industrial. Ah, Jesus. Oh yeah, this fan was not here before. Some Honda original. Some on the mouse from the steps. Jesus. Just so aggressive, I said. Alright, so it may be possible to just jump up there and not get hit by the fan. Ready? I'm gonna show you guys this.
Tell me that wasn't my phone.
That wasn't, that was mine. Jesus Christ. Oh. Dang. You guys already see the world's fastest fan? Guess I can get that play. It's like which one? Okay, so the one on the line. Okay, they jumped. I'm gonna screw it up. Spin, where is it?
It is.
Yep, that's all for those. Oh my god, deal with this thing. Everything else just drops. And I'm switching the power. That looks fun. This is trying to be good. There we go. What's wrong with faces? Got it. But where are the old one? And what? That's low? That's high. But what the heck? But what kind of fan is this, man? Man, this one's pretty cool though. Oh, very bad. Psych. Psycho forwards. juicy. Stop posting about this. I can't take it anymore. Stop, just stop posting. Oh my god. From this fan. Oh my god, it's been wet. Which friend got clothes on? Oh, that trash friend without. You ever told me to hit the camera myself? Man, I'm dead. I died to the hitting the fan on my head. I'm on the top of the berry. Prove your fans are 1 year old. Prove your fans 20 years old. Your fan is 1,000 years old. The ceiling thing into the weedy stuff. Where the heck is this French? Family marshmallow remake. Oops, fell. Yeah. And the bus will split off the hill. Boom. And that's how you do motion. Oh, Jesus Christ. Not even. I had gosh, a ceiling fan.